So in order to get this seat spun around, you need to reach below yourself, grab the lower lever, push it down, and give it a nice spin. It's a lot easier to do once you're sat on it than it is trying to do it from the outside. In order to get the bench seat ready for sleeping, lift up the front of it like this, pull it out, and you've got a nice lovely double bed there. If you want to get back up again, reach at the back, pull that bit up, and push it in. If you need your seat belts, they will be tucked down there somewhere, so make sure they're away before you start using it as a bed, and make sure they're back out if you need to strap yourself in. The pop top is very simple. There's a little button here on this lever. Push the button in to get the big lever out, and then detach the smaller lever. Same with the other side, and it really doesn't take much to give it a gentle push up. There's also a wooden piece here that is entirely loose, like this. So if you want to make use of this bed up here, then you want to pop that on that side so you've got a little bit more length there as well. Putting the pop top back down, return this to its original position so you can actually get up there. Grab it by the sides here. Don't grab it by on top, you may well trap your fingers, so grab it by the sides, pull it down, and then you're away. It's really important that you come down onto one knee, otherwise you might crack your head. And then reverse the process with these levers, hook on the hook bit, and then pull the big lever down to get it nice and tight. There you go.